Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down JSON-RPC. It's an important idea in MCP.
So, what is JSON-RPC? MCP uses JSON-RPC 2.0 as its message format for all client-server communication. It's one of the core ideas in MCP. Here are the key things to know about JSON-RPC. First, standard JSON-RPC 2.0 requests, responses, notifications, batches. Also, method names prefixed, e.g., MCP. List_tools, MCP. Read_resource. Another key point, errors follow JSON-RPC standard codes plus MCP-specific codes. On top of that, supports streaming via SSE for long responses. Finally, lightweight and widely supported.
And that's JSON-RPC in simple terms. Come back for another MCP concept tomorrow.